now, absolutely quiet opening for the market. The Nifty is down about 20 odd points. The mid-cap index is up about 70 points. So it's better performance for the mid-cap index this morning. And the Bank Nifty once again dragging its feet down about 60 odd points. What's doing well? Asian Paints is up about 1%. NTPC, Adani Enterprises, Bajaj Finance, BPCL, Coal India are all in the green at the moment. And on the losing end, you have, as I mentioned, Cipla, Tata Consumer, Bajaj Auto, Hindalco, Grasim, Nestle are a couple of stocks that are on the losing side. In fact, just a little bit of profit taking as well in names like Cipla, Divi's Labs, etc. that are a tad bit in the red. Otherwise, you'd have to say it's a very, very quiet opening. Nothing alarming either way. Adani Power is in the green, so we'll keep our eye out on that. And something like a Lupin continues to hit fresh 52-week high. So just pull up the Lupin stock, 2.5% higher now. That stock is up almost about 55% this year. Ekta was telling us about the Spiriva generic launch approval, so that is looking pretty good. And a couple of other names as well in terms of, since we're talking 52-week highs, names like Trent, etc. sitting. Suven Pharma is at a fresh 52-week high. So a lot of stocks over there. But otherwise, it is a quiet opening. The Bank Nifty is now still in flat territory. The Nifty as well. So just buying time, I guess.
Well, that's right. So a couple of large trades is what we saw yesterday. JSW Energy for the month itself, it's up close to around 25%. Yesterday, you had GQG going in there and chipping in yet again. Remember, they bought in Monday, they bought on Wednesday as well. Today, its stock is cooling down a little bit, pulled back close to around 2%. Adani Power, well, that one was higher, one of the large volume movers today. So that stock should come up for you on the screen. Abhishek told us about that brokerage note on Shriram Finance. Well, the street is taking note of that. Stock is up close to around 2.5% as we speak. Hindustan Copper, yesterday it pulled back big time because of weak numbers and valuations as well. That stock, in fact, is pulling back higher in today's trading session. More or less, it's a quietish start. Though from the broader markets, I think a couple of stocks. Global Spirits is down close to around 3%. That block deal, I think, needs to take place out there. So that stock is down 3% odd. And Nava Limited as well is down close to around 3.5%. Prashant, what else?
Well, IRFC is down 4%. It's the largest volume traded name right now, just under 50 odd rupees. Suzlon, we spoke with the management yesterday. That is coming up at number 2, just under 20 rupees there on Suzlon. So that's IRFC and Suzlon on the downside. We've got Indian Overseas Bank, which has been on a tear last 2 days. That is pulling back about 1.25% or so. And what else? L&T Mindtree is down about 0.75%. Moripun Laboratories is down a little bit. Bombay Dyeing is down about 1%. So this is largely quiet. I mean, it's not really a big kind of start. I was just talking about the shipbuilders, right? Anand was commenting on that as well. Look at Cochin Shipyard, 5.5%. It's the number 1 volume traded stock in the market as we start. So Cochin is up 6% now, actually, 853. And then the number 2 is another shipbuilder, Garden Reach. That's another 5% this morning, and on huge volumes for this point in the day. So third day running, the move continues in these shipbuilders. Not broad defense, it's not HAL and others. This is shipbuilders specifically. Mazgaon, of course, is the best performer of the lot, and I guess the other two, Cochin and Garden Reach, are just catching up to what Mazgaon has already done. Indiabulls Housing Finance was up 5 or 6% yesterday. That's up another 2% this morning. We've got Uno Minda, which is up about 3.5%. Shriram Finance we highlighted. HBL Power has been moving up consistently. I mean, there's no correction here. It's, I think, a new high. It's up another 3% this morning, HBL Power. We've got, HG Infra and 63 Moons and Texmo Pipes. Texmo Pipes saw a very large move yesterday, and it's up strongly this morning as well. So this is looking pretty good. I mean, actually from $60, this one, Texmo Pipes, has moved up to almost 90 in 3 or 4 days flat. So it's been tremendous in terms of the move that we've seen here. Market breadth is positive, not quite 3:1, but close. So nothing to really complain. We got 100-point dips last 2 days, and then progressively the market got better intraday. Today, I mean, the dip itself is not large at all. We're already down just about 20 points or so, 19,440 in good shape.